all of these you see are free bots found out myself using this method that I am going to show you. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can get free Deriv bots. You do not need to buy Deriv bots. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can find them and then you can test them. So if you do not have money or you do not need to buy bots, you can use these methods to get free bots. So the first is you go to Telegram, and then Telegram is the most popular website to find such files. So in this case, we will be using it. So the first thing you need to search Deriv bot, and then just open to show more, and then go through all these channels. So after going all through these channels, you can find some people who have posted free bots. If they are selling the bots, please don't buy, because you can find the bots for free. Any of the bots that I can get, I do not need to buy anything. So I have found one channel that I just open it, and you can see all the bots that this channel has uploaded, as you can see. So you can just open it, and then you can save it to your storage. So after saving it to your storage, you can just upload it to the Deriv website, and then you can test it out. So as you can see, I have downloaded it. So if I need to test it, I can test it. So if I need to test it, I can just go back to the DBot, and then I upload it to test it. Now, if you do not have an account, create using the link in the description. I have left a link in the description that you can use to create an account in Deriv and start trading. Use a Deriv bot. So this is the bot that we have downloaded. You can just open it, and then you can load it into your computer. So you just load it, and this is the bot. You can just run it and see how it performs. So you can just download a lot of the bots, test them, and then find out which is the best bot there. Don't go around buying the bots, because some people can just download the bots here and start selling to you these bots which are free. You can get them here. Now the second method which you can also use to find free Deriv bots is using GitHub. So this is what you search. Search Deriv bot XML GitHub. That way, just search that way, and then you can see we have a collection here. So you can just open in tabs. So here we also have another one that I saw. You can just come and open the bots here, as you can see. Now these bots are in a form of code. I will show you how you can convert them to bots. Now I just open this one, and then we will see the code. So this is the code. Just select all the code, and then I will show you how you can turn it into the bot. Select the code. That is, if you are using a computer, just press Control All. That is Control and A. Or you can just use your mouse to select everything. Just long press and then scroll down till the end. But I don't use that one because it is a bit slow. Now I can just copy it, and then I will open Notepad. You can just open Notepad and then paste all that there. Just paste it and then save. You just save this one. Just come to File, Save, and then here is the most important thing you need to know. Now here you just need to change this extension to .xml. If you don't change it, it won't be a bot. So make sure you change it, and then you can rename it to whatever name that you like. So I just rename it to $printer. So I have it there. Now, if I want to also test that bot, I can just upload it here, and then I test it out so that we can see how it is performing. So this was the bot that I just converted, and then you can see it is here if I upload it. Now I just open it, then we can see some settings that they have set already. So this bot was from GitHub and it was free. So I can just edit the stack here, and then I can just run it. Now I run it, and then I just we see how it performs. So you can see the bot is running, and some of the bots are just good. So don't buy bots if you can get them for free. But if you think that you cannot get them for free, then you can just buy them. So here, stake 2, I will also edit it to $10 because I see the first stake it is changing. After the first stake it is changing, so I can still edit it, and then it can still keep using $10, or I can just choose stake this way. I can just choose stake and it will use the value here. So it is just simple. Now you can just test it out and find out which bot is making a lot of profit, and then after testing out and finding the best bot, then stick to that bot. Now here we also have another user who has posted some bots. You can just go through them, and then the files that have .xml are the bots that you need to open. Just open them, and then after opening them, you can just copy that code, paste it into the notepad, then save it as XML. So that is the process of converting them to a bot that you can use on Deriv. So subscribe so that I come up with more information about this. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. And if you cannot find these bots, you can ask for the links. I can provide them in the description if you like. So just like, subscribe, and if you have any concern, post it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.